This kitchen works so well for us because it gives us the space we need as a family to be creative.
My name is Luke and this is my wife Heather, and we are based in Essex. We live with our daughter Ava and we've got 3 Chihuahua dogs, Turner, Hooch and Elvis. And yeah, we've been doing renovations for the best part of 8 years now.
We added an extension to this property because we wanted an open plan lifestyle space. We wanted to have a breakfast bar and then we wanted that seating area of an evening so that we could get together and have dinner and do arts and crafts and just be together. Christmas is the perfect opportunity to get all of your wonderful tableware out and make it that little bit special, which is what we've done this year.
For me, on our previous kitchen, I didn't get to see the garden as much as I'd like to. So having the kitchen at the back of the house now, it's great to look out into the garden and see everything that's out there.
So we popped along to our local Wren, which is based in Colchester, and I instantly fell in love with one of their kitchens that was on display. Was able to book a consultation the same day, which enabled us to bring our kitchen vision to life.
The design process for us was very good. Sam, the kitchen designer, was very helpful and knew exactly what we wanted.
There was no pressure on upselling or buying additional products, which I think goes a long way.
At no point did Ava, our 6-year-old, get bored. So there was always little things to keep her entertained, which was handy for us because then we could focus on building our kitchen.
We absolutely love to get together and bake, and this kitchen gives us the space that we need to be able to do it together as a family. It's child friendly, we have soft closed doors. When you've got kids, you don't want their fingers being slammed in the door. So one thing I love about our kitchen is our AEG combination oven. I use it for absolutely everything. For a family of 3, it's a perfect size. We've only ever used AEG purely because we love the functions on them and they are super stylish. We are lucky enough to have an integrated coffee machine which gets used and abused.
The coffee machine's great for me, especially in the morning. To get up and make a coffee and not have to do anything, especially when she's in bed. She won't make me a coffee otherwise. What do you love about our kitchen, Ava?
It's stylish.
Having this kitchen space enables us to all come together. We just absolutely love the process from start to finish.